In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rearrange pages in Word. If you've ever finished a draft and realized a section would make more sense earlier or later, there are two reliable ways to move content without retyping anything. I will walk you through both, explain when to use each one, and share a few simple tips to keep everything neat and accurate as you go. The fastest method uses the Navigation Pane. This works best if your document uses Word's built-in heading styles, like Heading 1 and Heading 2. When headings are set up properly, Word treats each heading as a movable section, along with all the paragraphs, images, and subheadings beneath it. To get started, go to the View tab in the top ribbon. In the Show group, check the box for Navigation Pane. A panel opens on the left side of your screen. Click the Headings tab in that panel. You will see an outline of your document's structure. To move a section, click and drag its heading to a new position in the list. As you drop it, Word instantly moves that entire section in the document. This is ideal when your content is already organized under clear headings. If you have nested headings, the whole hierarchy moves together, which helps preserve your flow. If something lands in the wrong place, just use Undo to revert the change. If your document doesn't use headings or it's mostly free form text, use the traditional cut and paste method. First, highlight all the text and images on the page you want to move. Make sure your selection includes everything you need, especially any leading or trailing blank lines or page breaks that control spacing. Then press Ctrl X to cut the content. Place your cursor exactly where you want that content to go. Pay attention to whether it should appear before or after an existing paragraph and press Ctrl V to paste it. After pasting, glance at the formatting and spacing. If you see extra blank lines or unexpected page breaks, remove or adjust them so the layout looks consistent. If you change your mind, Undo will take you back to where you started. A few quick closing tips: save your document before making big moves, so you can experiment confidently. Review the surrounding headings or paragraphs after each move to confirm the transitions still read naturally. And when in doubt, make one change at a time, then scroll to verify the result. That's it. Thanks for watching.